The Aurosports 15x56 binoculars offer impressive 15 times magnification and a 56mm objective lens, providing users with a vast field of view and vivid image clarity. These binoculars are designed with a larger objective lens that allows more light to enter, resulting in brighter and more detailed images, making them ideal for birdwatching and wildlife observation. Equipped with advanced back-4 prisms, these binoculars ensure clear and bright images even in low-light conditions, making them perfect for early morning or late evening use. The high-definition optics of the Aurosports binoculars deliver sharp visuals, whether you are hiking, on a cruise, or attending a live event, ensuring you do not miss any details. These binoculars come with a complete adventure kit, including a protective bag, cleaning cloth, neck strap, and user manual, making them a convenient choice for travel enthusiasts. The discreet design of the binoculars helps them blend with nature, providing an unobtrusive experience for birdwatchers seeking to observe without disturbing wildlife.